Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use proxies in DaVinci Resolve, which will dramatically speed up your editing workflow. Proxies are essentially stand-ins, smaller, lower-resolution versions of your original high-resolution footage. Imagine working with files that are perhaps 1/4 the size, allowing your computer to handle complex timelines with much greater ease. This powerful technique prevents frustrating stuttering and dropped frames, especially when editing projects containing 4,000 or 8,000 resolution video. Generating proxies is a straightforward process within DaVinci Resolve. First, locate and select the clips in your media pool that you want to convert into proxy files. You can select multiple clips at once. Next, simply right-click on your selection to open the context menu. From this menu, navigate down and choose the Generate Proxy Media option. DaVinci Resolve will then intelligently begin the background task of creating these efficient, smaller proxy files for your editing convenience. When setting up your proxies, selecting the right format and resolution is crucial for optimal performance. You will want to choose a proxy format like H.264 or ProRes, as these are widely supported and efficient. For resolution, consider using 1/4 or 1/2 the original size of your footage. For example, if your original is 4,000, a 1,000 resolution proxy is excellent. These settings ensure your proxy files are small enough for incredibly smooth playback, while still maintaining enough detail for accurate editing. Once your proxies are generated, switching between them and your original footage is incredibly simple. Look for the Proxies button located in your viewer window, often identifiable by an icon resembling a checkered square. A single click on this button instantly toggles between using your generated proxy files and the full, high-resolution original media. This convenient feature allows you to enjoy super smooth playback during most of your editing, but quickly switch to the originals for precise color grading or final checks when absolute fidelity is required.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.